You will never make nachos again your way. There you go. You'll never make them the same after this recipe. Yum. Who's ready to try it? Let's try it. Don't that look good? Mmm. 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 Now you saw I did not mix my meat with my cheese. We don't like it like that over here because if you mix your meat with your cheese, you're not gonna actually taste the meat so much. You're gonna taste a lot of cheese. But when you do it separate, do the cheese and then do the meat and then do your pico, then do your sour cream, you can taste all the flavors. You can taste the meat. Baby. Ooh. Get some sour cream. Mm. 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 Mmm. Some sweet pickle onion. Y'all, this is good. Now, of course, I'm eating before my girls get here because, baby, I want to start drinking. I don't like to drink. I don't like to be eating and drinking. I don't like that. I like to go ahead and put a little something on my stomach and then get to drinking. Yes. One more bite for y'all. Ooh, one more bite. And these little round chips. Mmm. 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 Baby. Mmm. Mmm. Yum. One more. One more bite, y'all. Like I said, you will never make your nachos again like you used to. You will make it this way and fall in love. You will never make your nachos the same again after this recipe. Easy. Mmm.